In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to remove members from Trello step by step. Whether you're managing a team, cleaning up an old workspace, or adjusting access for security reasons, removing members the right way ensures your boards stay organized and secure. I'll walk you through the entire process so you can do it confidently in just a few clicks. And if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical Trello guides. All right, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to Trello.com. Log into your account if you're not already signed in. Once you're inside Trello, you'll land on your main dashboard where you can see all of your workspaces and boards. Remember, members are managed at the workspace level, so you'll need to access the correct workspace before removing anyone. Next, from your list of workspaces, click on the workspace that you want to update. Make sure you choose the correct one, especially if you manage multiple teams or clients. Each workspace has its own set of members, so removing someone from one workspace will not automatically remove them from others. Once you're inside the workspace, look for the Members option. You'll typically find this near the top of the workspace page. Click on Members to open the full list of people who currently have access to this workspace. Here, you'll see everyone who has been invited, along with their roles and permissions. Now, find the name of the person you want to remove. Next to their name, you'll see an option that says Remove. Click on Remove. Trello will usually ask you to confirm this action to prevent accidental removals. Finally, click on Remove from Workspace to confirm. Once you confirm, that member will immediately lose access to the workspace and all boards within it. They won't be able to view, edit, or interact with any content inside that workspace anymore. And that's it. That's how you remove members from Trello quickly and securely. It's a simple process, but it's an important one for keeping your projects organized and your workspace access under control. If this video helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy Trello tutorials and productivity tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.